Hello, welcome our Gear Research channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best kayak roof racks that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, HandiRack, the original universal inflatable roof rack. If you like the idea of inflatable roof racks that don't require mounting hardware, or maybe your car doesn't have factory rails, so you're looking for a kayak rack for cars without rails, my last pick, the HandiRack Universal Inflatable Roof Rack, is for you. This unique kayak carrier comes with all you need to securely hold your vessel at the top of the vehicle. The tie-down straps are tight, as well as the buckles, and the pump that comes with the package is efficient and fast. Also, this rack can pride itself on quite a high load capacity of 175 pounds. One note, though, is that this roof rack is compatible with all kinds of vehicles, except for those that have sliding doors, because that's where you attach it. The major benefit of having inflatable pads is that they'll take up a minimal amount of space in your trunk when you're not using them. Keep in mind that these inflatable roof rack pads are designed for vehicles without crossbars or rails on the roof. It is best if they are installed only when you're going to be transporting kayaks, as opposed to a rack that permanently remains on the roof of your vehicle. That said, these pads come with their own hand pump for easy inflation and don't require any additional tools for a complete installation. They also come with a travel bag for easy storage and two bow and stern tie-down lines for extra security. Number 2, WOOWAVE Kayak Roof Rack Pads Universal Car Roof Rack. The WOOWAVE Kayak Roof Rack pads are designed for vehicles that don't have aftermarket or factory-installed crossbars. Instead, these pads come with straps that run around the entire roof of your vehicle to provide a safe and secure loading spot for your kayak. These pads are designed for a single kayak, but some users have reported strapping 2 kayaks on top of their vehicle with these pads. While these pads do have a nice maximum thickness of 2.8 inches, we'd only recommend transporting 2 kayaks on them if you're traveling a very short distance at slower speeds. That being said, these pads are super convenient for smaller vehicles, and they are one of the best ways to transport a kayak on a car without rails. They are designed to accommodate kayaks with widths up to 33 inches, and they come with their own storage bag so that you can keep them safe and secure when you're not using them. The padding is thick and will be able to protect almost any kind of kayak. 2 waterproof and padded polyester straps are included to accommodate one kayak, and it comes with a portable bag for storing everything when not in use. Number 3, Leader Accessories Folding Kayak Roof Rack. The Leader Accessories Folding Rack is actually a 2-pack of folding J-style racks that will require your vehicle to have existing crossbars for a secure installation. These racks, however, can fit on square bars and factory-installed oval and aerodynamic bars. This only excludes round bars. Each rack is rated to hold a maximum load of 100 pounds, and they are built with powder-coated steel to minimize rust and corrosion over their lifetime. They also feature a quick-release button that allows you to fold them down or set them up for kayak transporting with a simple lever. This easy folding ability will allow you to keep these racks permanently installed on your vehicle's roof, whether you're transporting kayaks or not. These racks also come with a total of 4 cam-style tie-down straps to help you secure your kayaks with ease. It has foams and adjustable padding where you need it to prevent damage to both your roof and your rack. It will fit most factory crossbars, whether oval, round, or square. Lastly, the package includes enough mounting accessories to accommodate 2 kayaks. Number 4, Best Marine Roof Rack Pads 38 Universal. If you like the idea of kayak roof rack pads from our previous selection, but you have a wider kayak, you might consider the Best Marine Kayak Roof Rack Pads. These pads have a maximum width of 48 inches to accommodate kayaks of larger sizes. These roof rack pads are also constructed with 600 denier polyester fabric, which makes them a bit more rugged than the model we mentioned in the previous section. They also feature shock-resistant EPE foam that helps to minimize vibrations and the potential for damage to your kayak or vehicle while in transit. The Best Marine Roof Rack pads are designed for vehicles without crossbars or factory-installed rails on the roof. They are also super easy to install and remove if you only need a roof rack for transporting kayaks once or twice a month. The best kayak roof rack for those who know how to properly load and unload a kayak but do not want to fully invest in the equipment needed. This is because loading and unloading will take some skill and strength, as most J-style kayak racks do, but you will definitely get what you pay for with this product. Number 5. Best Marine Folding Kayak Roof Rack. In addition to their kayak roof rack pads, Best Marine also manufactures an excellent set of folding J-style kayak racks. These racks offer a maximum load capacity of 100 pounds and they are made from rust-resistant steel that's both durable and designed to withstand the elements. These racks can be installed on round or square crossbars with an ideal width of 2 inches. And while it's not ideal, they will be able to secure on factory-installed oval or aerodynamic crossbars with a maximum width of 4 inches. This kayak roof rack also comes with 2 12-foot cam-style tie-down straps and an additional 2 15-foot safety ropes that will help you secure the bow and stern of your kayak down the front and rear bumpers of your vehicle, respectively. And a durable size. After comparing all the products, the best kayak roof rack is the Car Rack and Carrier's Gearresearch. This rack is both strong and wide, making it perfect for those looking for a kayak carrier. The rack can work for any kind of crossbar style. We also like the fact that the rack comes with straps for secure mounting. The rack can also fold down flat onto your roof, which can make it easier for getting in and out of your garage without having to uninstall the cradles. Like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel. Check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.